Good morning. Reduction of cost due to manpower rationalization. Due to corona, all these things we have to talk. It is necessary because people are being expelled out from the organization, people are being removed from the organization, people are being snatched out their job on and often, and persons are going in the morning, but how they are returning with which kind of the message, either having the job or losing the job. So all these kind of the stumbling stone which came due to corona, we have to give thought that how we can reduce the cost in the company. Because see, don't feel bad in your in your house also. If you listen your daddy, then your daddy is always talking to your mama, and even sometimes to including the children also, that the situation has come that we are not earning, we are not getting salary, so we have to stop certain expenditure and we have to rationalize certain expenditure, and I mean to merger and club up the thing which is the most needed thing that should happen in the home, and which are the can be avoided, should be avoided. So like your home, the same practice company also has to do it. So at this point of time, in any company, labor is the recurring cost, labor is the big cost, manpower is the big cost. So how to ensure that operation is going on, manufacturing is going on, production is going on, but we have to rationalize the manpower also. Very first thing that you have to understand what is the meaning of rationalization. Rationalization, not to cut the feet of the person, not to chop up the people. No. Rationalization means you have to count the heads before you hatch the chicken. Sudha Murthy, she has told already, and her book is also there, that before you remove the person, hatch the hen, means first you count that who are the good hen, who are the giving more proficiency, and who are more fitting into the this culture where there is a problem because of the corona. People are not walking out their house, people are not getting salary because company is also not getting their bill paid, and so many others obstacles, milestones are there which are pinching to the company, not giving the money. Cash flow is weakened, means weakened totally. What to do? I overheard that sometimes payment of the canteen money is also not in the available to the company owner. To purchase the material, money is not there. To give the salary, money is not there. So what to do? So go rationalize. Rationalize means, as I already told you, that you first count your all the heads in department, and you have a good thought with the HOD concern that how work can be merged, how work can be keep together, and so that at least few people can be removed from the organization. If you are having any other chances of the employment for certain this kind of the people, then you have to give those kind of the, you have to offer those kind of the employment. Otherwise you have to give a thought that what do I do. We have to give a thought. 1000 people I am having, but out of 1000 people there are the people who are the who are not giving their best. What to do? How to manage the situation? So we should not be feeling bad कि अरे भाई मेरी नौकरी चली जाएगी, मैं क्या करूँ. इस डॉक्टर श्रीवास्तव साहब क्या बात कर रहे हैं. लेकिन मेरे दोस्त, अगर आप घर की से अपनी कहानी शुरू करें और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की ओर लेके जाएं, तो आप भी वही सोचेंगे जो आपके डैडी आपको घर को चलाने के लिए सोचते हैं, और फिर आपके एमडी साहब भी वही सोचेंगे जो आपके डैडी साहब सोचते हैं. तो इसमें आपको खुश होकर आगे आना पड़ेगा. या तो आप इफिशियंसी को आप बढ़ाइए, आप अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी को में इम्प्रूवमेंट लाइए, अदरवाइज बॉस बी रेडी टू चॉप अप. because company cannot. There was sometimes before corona even I know talking to some MD that ठीक है यार, जो है 25 आदमी नहीं काम कर रहे हैं, 500 में 500 में 50 आदमी नहीं काम कर रहे हैं, तो उनका नसीब है, चलने दो, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. वी आर इनकरिंग एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ 10 लाख रुपीज, नो इशू. Salary and wages is being paid more by 10,000 rupees, 10 lakhs rupees per day. I'm sorry, 10 lakhs rupees per month. Then we should not stop. Let them also continue. They are also having their fate. Now, because that 10 lakh rupees may be very big, heavy expenditure to the organization, so they have to think that जो काम हम कैसे काम को स्पीच कर सकते हैं, डिपार्टमेंट की एक्टिविटीज़ जो स्प्रेड है, कंट्रोल्ड है या ओवर कंट्रोल्ड है, वाट एवर सिचुएशन में भी डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंपनी टू कंपनी. सो उसको हम कैसे ला करके स्पीच करें, डिपार्टमेंट को स्लिम एंड ट्रिम करें, और एक आदमी एक मल्टी डायमेंशनल वर्क एक्टिविटीज़ का कल्चर हमें शुरू करना पड़ेगा. जो एक आदमी कैसे अनेक काम कर सकता है, मल्टीप्ली वर्क कैसे कर सकता है, और एक आदमी उसी सैलरी में कैसे हमको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रिजल्ट दे सकता है. यू हैव टू थिंक, एंड देन हु आर नॉट कॉपिंग अप in this system, you have to keep them aside and you have to counsel them, you have to tell them, boss, you have to find out your other way of survival. Otherwise it will be very difficult, that company will not survive, and all people they will sink. Instead of sinking of 10 people or 20 people, whole 500 people, 1000 people, what is the volume of the organization, they will totally sink. If company cannot pay you, company is not getting money out of the sale, company is not getting benefit and support, then how company will give you the salary? Think, you want to still overstay with the company in that circumstances, and that too also when it is clear and you have accepted that you are also standard performer, you are not giving your best energy, you are not giving your all positive thoughts, you are selfish, and therefore you don't want to walk out of the bank of the organization, then boss, it is your call. Company to run has to do it, and same time with the manpower rationalization one has to do for the salary rationalization also. What happens when you are having good days, you give the good high salary, fatty salary to the people, because you are in position to sustain. So if some 15-20% is going more, then let it go. Employees are having that attitude. But when company is having this kind of the tough time, then you have to think for the rationalization of the salary and salary structure. Also, sometimes basic salaries are given very high, which should not happen, because basic salary create the burden on the people. There is a chain of the overhead connected to the basic salary. If you give high मोटा जहाँ पर आपको 15,000 बेसिक सैलरी देना है, अगर वहाँ पर आप जो है 35-40 हज़ार रुपया बेसिक सैलरी दे रहे हैं, तो यू थिंक व्हाट विल हैपन, हाउ द थिंग्स विल take place. And then same time we will talk about that if situation is going beyond to the situation, then we have to think not to give the increment, not to give the award and reward, not to promote, and all these things you have to do, talking to your people that situation has come like that, therefore we cannot give the increment, and we can give minimum where whatever is going on, and manage your home, manage your situation, and remain in the organization. But again, before I call off the discussion, my dear friend, don't feel bad about my talk. It is the time-based talk. During the corona, I am hearing, I am also in pain that efficient productive based people, non-productive based people, all are being removed. So instead of that, if company is going for the efficiency audit, productivity audit, manpower rationalization, salary rationalization, increment stoppage, and award and reward to put on the hold till the situation is not coming back, I believe that you also should agree and you should join my hand that cost should be reduced and company should be made before it sinks deeply and all the persons are going into the bad page. Instead of all the person, let us 10, 15, 20, 50 people, whoever really substandard performer, they are really not contributing more, they are not giving a full efficiency, they are not giving full productivity, and please sit on the home instead of waiting that let all other 400 people, 450 people sink down with me. My dear friend, take it in national spirit, take in the individual spirit, and organization also is like you and me, that gauging all the time, seeing all the time that who is performer, who is not performer, who is giving to me, who is taking out more from me, and then company is also having pain, as MD is having pain, and as I am having pain, as definitely you will be also having pain. So please apologize me for this kind of the discussion, but as of now this is very important and this can help to the industry to grow, further grow. And why you are thinking that if today is gone then tomorrow will also go? No, once corona is gone and our economy is re-established, economy is re-established, maybe that there you may be called also, so re-employment opportunity may come. Thank you very much, my dear friend. Please afford to bear my word sentence in the right seat, please. Thank you very much. Take care.